marketing is a concept which has been there for quite some time. I think marketers have spent a lot of money in research and things like those. And then I think this term was coined about a couple of years back where people said, I want to know what exactly the customer thinks, what the consumer has in his mind. Yesterday we heard Martin talking about doing MRI scans, actually trying to get inside somebody's brains and try to figure out what he wants. So when we've got everything happening all around the world, so many messages going in, so many things happening, we thought about this particular concept of precision marketing, how it can really talk to customers, and we kind of been doing this exercise for about 4 or 5 years. And we said, okay, let's develop a module, let's develop a business model for it, and try to run it with consumers and see how it can really work. It started with a B2B kind of a business, but then now it's kind of slowly getting into a B2C kind of a thing. Infoprint is an integrated marketing solutions company. We're basically into output management solutions. And we're driven more on targeting and messaging customers, which are very precise. And it runs across all marketing channels. So primarily, our business is into print. But print is kind of getting distorted with Yahoos and Googles coming in, with e-business, with SMSs and things like those. So communicating consistently has been something which is a real task for any marketer. And that's what our company as a platform delivers to the marketers.